Hi, I'm Shirley from Mystery Bay Quilt Designs. I'm going to show you today how to sew a clamshell quilting pattern using a template. This template comes from Westalee Designs, and it's manufactured and sold in the United States by the Sew Steady company from Eugene, Oregon. So these can be obtained through your local quilt shops or sewing machine shops. They're kind of a new product. They're similar to products that have been used by long arm quilters, templates that have been used by long arm quilters, but these are thinner. They're meant to be thinner so that they can go under your sewing machine foot and the mechanism without causing any damage, whereas the thick ones for certain models of sewing machine, the mechanism might run into the template and cause some damage to your machine. So we're set up for free motion quilting, which means we've dropped the feed dogs or set the stitch length to 0. I've also got a sew slip mat here on the bed of the machine. That's going to make the fabric feed much more smoothly. And I'm wearing my Machinger's gloves, which helps me grip the fabric. So I've prepared a sample here, a sample of fabric, which is just a simple quilt sandwich, and I've sewn some straight lines on it to make a block that's 9 inches wide. So we're going to start at the bottom of the block, and this template has, if you can see there, it has a hook in it, and that hook is going to go around this hopping foot, which is something you have to purchase when you're going to do this technique. You must have a hopping foot. The one I bought here is a low shank hopping foot, and there's an adapter that makes it fit my high shank sewing machine, which is a Brother Dreamweaver. You can also buy the hopping foot as a high shank hopping foot, so it's a little bit taller. This happens to be the one that was available at Quality Sewing, which is where I bought it. So this template is laid down so that you can make a nice line, and the foot fits just, tucks right into the little impression in the foot, or in the template. So I'm going to put the hopping foot down, presser foot down, and then I'm going to put the needle down and make it go up and down a couple of times to sort of lock the stitches. Then I'm going to tuck this template right around that foot, and then I'm going to line it up along the edge. So this template is designed so that the end of the template there is lined up on my bottom line of this block. I'm going to line my clamshells up going to the right. So now I'm just going to hold on to that template, and I'm going to stitch around the edge of the template. This is going to be a little tricky because I'm a little short of fabric over here on the left-hand side. So I'm going to have to be making sure that I don't mess this up. I didn't do so hot on that one, but hopefully I'll get better. I can see that one of the lessons I'm learning is that it's a lot better to have more fabric to grab onto. And then you have to move the template. So we move the template and we tuck that slot right around the hopping foot. And then we sew again, holding the template right against that hopping foot and moving the fabric and the template. Okay. Now you can see we've made 3 clamshells, but now we want to go back. We're going to have to go up here and make the next row of clamshells. And the next row of clamshells will come down and meet in the center of the previous clamshell like that. So I'm going to stitch a line, a straight line, just using a regular ruler up until I get where I need to be, which I can't really tell right now.